Look at how he is. Dude, are you okay? You're so silly. He's having a stroke.
Please, coconut, please, please. Please, just spare me this once, please.
Give me what you have in your mouth. Roxy, give it to me. Listen. Shoot it. Come here. Give me. What do you have in your mouth? Huh? Give me.
Hey.
Oh.
We already walked the cows. You don't need them. We don't need to walk the cows again. No. Get back. We already walked all the cows for today. We don't need to walk them again. No, we're not walking the cows. We're not walking the cows. We're not walking the cows again. No.
The most dramatic dog in the world. Luke, back up. Back up. Back up on your seat. Keep going. Sit down. Thank you. You better hope that she doesn't see this fur before. And you won't even get out. Come on, let's go. Get out. Come on.